I'd like to hear from Nits. Nits, for you, can you please share what is your best experience and how can you use it in your life as a manager?
Okay, so my best experience here in POP yung sa ano. So medyo nakakakaba kasi 'di ba, manager ka na, dapat you're used to it na talaga nagre-recruit ka. Pero alam mo yun, pagka ang na-experience ko lang, pinaka the best, kailangan talaga, kumbaga yung the way na yung pag nagpe-present tayo or the way na nagde-discuss tayo, dapat in details. So para alam natin kapag merong objections, alam natin kung paano natin i-rebuttal yung mga objections. And at the same time, nagustuhan ko siya actually nung pag-exit ninyo doon sa breakout namin. So nagtawag pa kami, lahat kami nagtawag pa. So nakapag-set up pa ako ng another 2 appointments pa aside doon sa live calling natin. So nakakatuwa. Thank you Coach Grace kasi yung 2 days natin, ang dami ko natutunan.
Okay, thank you very much, Nits. Now, it's not just about being excellent in big things. If you want to be excellent, you have to be excellent in doing the big things and also the small things, which include your day-to-day activities. Okay?